let's look at the population of the Hajj and the number of Hajjis and their different comorbidities and the risky population, the elderly, and those Hajjis, some of them have different comorbidities, different illnesses, and different compliance with the medication to start with. And as I mentioned, with our well-developed medical staff, units, protocols, ambulance services that provides immediate management, we haven't noticed, alhamdulillah, any abnormal or deviation from the normal numbers of morbidities and mortalities. Up to today, we've reached more than 2,700 pilgrims who suffered from heat illnesses, diseases. And just to mention, in overall, the health services that have been provided during this Hajj season, we've served more than 140,000 patients in the hospitals and different centers. The center has this huge operation room, state-of-the-art technologies, a lot of dashboards. We divide it into 3 sections. The first section look at surveillance, so early detection of any possible hazards, including heat strokes. We monitor the weather, we monitor the health of all pilgrims 24/7 from the moment they reach the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. From our risk assessment, we knew that this season gonna be very hot. The weather is extremely hot. And even before pilgrims arrive, we started our campaign by educating everyone about how to protect themselves, how to use umbrellas, how to keep themselves hydrated, how to avoid crowdedness, and how to seek help, and where to seek help as well.
برد برد يلا حيو يا هلا يا هلا يا
नहीं ग्रुप के बच्चे
हिम्मत करे मेरा भी सुबह बुरा बुरा हाल था
Regla.